show you two heaters type. One of the heater is up, 2-bay heater, U-type heater. This is a Mira heating ceramic radiant natural gas digital screen heater. The other one is single tube heater. All of these heaters are for commercial use. They are wall mounted heater, and there is a digital panel on this side of the heater, so you can control the heater anytime with a remote control. And there is another digital screen here. The brand is Mira Heating. The company is located at Turkey, Bursa. This heater works with natural gas. It's very useful and economic heater. You can use for your cafeteria, restaurant, outdoor use, casino, garage, restaurant, in anywhere. And the front panel is very high quality. The tube is very high quality also, and there's the burner is there's a burner this side, and the company gives you 1 year warranty, and the paint never fall down, so you can use this heater for long years. And please go to www.miraheating.com for more info. We ship worldwide. Thank you for watching.